I think the wheel is just warped itself, and then I've noticed now that the actual arms are slightly warped too, so this side's kind of bent out. These are two different designs that I tried. The first one is completely solid with no spokes. This one here is has no infill, and then it was printed on raft, and that's supposed to prevent PLA warping by keeping the main object separated from the heat bed as it cools. And the results were both these wobbled as much as the earlier designs. So I'm going to try the finest threads on there. Okay, this is the finest threads possible. See if it's any better.